In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy tokens on Axiom. Whether you're looking to purchase newly launched meme coins or trade trending Solana tokens, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, for you to be able to buy tokens here in Axiom, you can simply go to any of these sections. Pulse, perpetuals, predictions, vision, especially discover, because here you can choose from the top selling coins or the top trending coins right now at the Axiom market. Because if you select any of these tokens, you will notice that it has the option for you to click the buy button. It says that the minimum buy amount is 0.001, so we need to put that on the quick buy. So 0.0001. Now, for you to be able to buy any tokens, you need, of course, to deposit any amount into your balance. I want you to click the deposit button. You can choose from any of the following: Sol, ETH, Base, Arbitrum, Polygon, BTC, and Bitcoin. It's up to you. And then all I have to do now is deposit the amount that you can afford. For example, let's say we're gonna put in a specific value and it will convert that to your default base currency. And if you're happy with that, for you to be able to buy any tokens here, you need to make sure that your funds are available and follow the deposit instructions. Once you've done all these, go back to Axiom and follow the instruction to complete your purchase, because Axiom will immediately update your position. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you buy tokens on Axiom. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.